While the workers were working on the construction site, something unexpected suddenly happened. Lumber being transported to the upper floors via the construction elevator fell. The workers noticed this at the last moment and managed to escape by taking a few steps back. To minimize the risk in such situations, we must wear hard hats and protective gear. In this video, a fire suddenly breaks out while a worker is welding on the upper level of a warehouse, and the fire spirals out of control within seconds. Hot work operations are one of the leading causes of fire risks in industrial facilities. Therefore, the necessary safety precautions must be taken. In this footage, captured by a camera at a car repair shop, a worker is welding in the trunk area when flames suddenly erupt, causing the worker to immediately panic. In the previous video, we also saw that the cause of the fire was the welding process. This demonstrates just how dangerous welding can be. We must take all necessary safety precautions before performing this task. The fire is extinguished before it can spread too far. They may have gotten off lightly this time, but safety should never be left to chance. When cutting tall trees with a chainsaw, all calculations must be done correctly. Security isn't an option, it's a necessity. If you found this video helpful, you can check out our other analyses as well.